Hey everyone, welcome back to the Financible, where we talk about smart money moves and building wealth. Today, we're diving into how to save your money effectively, because saving money is the first step toward financial freedom. Let's get started. We have divided into 5 segments. Segment 1, why saving money is important. Most people struggle with saving money because they either don't track their expenses or lack a system. Without savings, you're just one emergency away from financial trouble. But today, I'll show you simple ways to start saving without feeling deprived. Segment 2, the 50-30-20 rule. One of the best ways to manage your money is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, food, bills. 30% for wants, shopping, entertainment. 20% for savings and investments, emergency fund, investments. If you can't save 20% yet, start with 5 to 10% and gradually increase it. Segment 3, automate your savings. One pro tip, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to a separate savings account right after payday. This makes saving effortless. Segment 4, cut unnecessary expenses. Want to save more? Audit your expenses, cancel unused subscriptions, cook at home instead of eating out, buy things on sale or secondhand. Segment 5, increase your income. Saving is great, but you know what's even better? Earning more. Consider side hustles like freelancing, investing, or starting an online business to boost your income. So here's your action plan. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. Automate your savings, cut unnecessary expenses. Find ways to earn more. Comment below. What's your biggest money-saving challenge? Let's help each other out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial tips. See you next time.